Hello my purse peeps, welcome back. I am here today with an update video to share with you what fits in my new Coach travel set, which includes my Coach Court Tote and my Coach Court Weekender bag. If that sounds like something you're interested in seeing, please keep on watching. Okay, well, thank you very much for joining me. Let's go ahead and get started because there's a lot in this video. So I'm going to move the tote out of the way for right now, and let's just dig right into the Weekender bag. So I shared with you that I was going to be taking a trip, and I'm on that trip right now, so I'm on location. So please forgive me for any lighting or sound issues at this point. However, so in the tote or in the Weekender bag, I use it for a purpose I did not intend because it was not as wide as I anticipated. I wanted to include clothing in this bag, but I just decided to use it for an equally important use for items that I needed to carry on my travels. So in this first pocket, front pocket, I have extra sanitizing supplies, and I shared these do-it-yourself pouches previously that include my hand sanitizer, extra mask, gloves, wipes, and the like, just to have these things on hand while I'm traveling. You never can have too many, and extra are perfect. In addition, I just kept the information on the bag. I'm not sure if I showed this in my last video, but the details of the bag. And one thing I know I didn't say is that these nylon bags are made by Coach because they're trying to be more environmentally friendly. So I wanted to share that these bags were made to support sustainability. So I thought that was an important note. I had shared all of the details on this bag in a prior video, so I'll link that video and I won't go into those details on this video. So let's get in here. Okay, so here's a top view of what's in the bag, and I hope you can see that all okay. But let me pull it out one by one. First, I just have my Lysol wipes, and I am traveling. I'm in a hotel room, so I'm sure you understand that. I also have my Lysol spray, and same thing, I'm traveling, I'm in a hotel room. You know how it goes. And then I also have my Dooney and Bourke Dopp kit. I think I shared on my channel this pebbled leather Dooney and Bourke Dopp kit previously, but it goes with me whenever I travel because it holds all of my primary supplies and toiletries. And here's a high-level overview of what's in this Dopp kit. So let me pull the items out one by one quickly. So I have shavers, I have flossers, I have cotton balls and cotton swabs. There's nothing like needing a cotton ball or cotton swab and not having one. Shower caps, my toothbrush, toothpaste, if you're so interested. I don't have the travel size, I just fit the whole big one in here. This is some Crabtree and Evelyn body wash, and it is called Caribbean Island Wildflower. Smells very good. Then I have some anti-pollution charcoal mask stick from Avon. Just keep my face clean. Then I also have some Crabtree and Evelyn face wash, and this is soft touch face foam. Definitely makes my face feel very soft. Then I have some mouthwash. I have some deodorant. These get kind of personal, don't they? I have some face moisturizer from it's called Moisturized Clean Beauty Grapefruit Water Gel Moisturizer. I think I probably got this from Sephora, or probably Sephora. And then I have some Bath and Body Works shower gel. And then I have a bar soap. Never can be too clean, huh? Then I have some Vaseline Total Moisture Conditioning Cream, lotion. And then I have these 3 lotions that I got from Bath and Body Works. I don't necessarily like the way they smell, but they do make my skin feel really soft. And because I don't like the way they smell, I probably won't wear them very often, but I keep them in my Dopp kit because when you don't have lotion, any lotion will do. They are also in pretty packaging. I also have some Ouray body wash. This is from the company Zents, and you've seen me with my roller balls from Zents before, but this particular scent is Ouray, and it's ageless aloe moisture wash with fruit extracts and shea lotus. And I'm going to share with you in a moment some other items from them and why I picked this fragrance. And then I have the age-defying probiotic lotion that's also in Ouray, is the scent from Zents, Z-E-N-T-S. So that's what's in my Dopp kit. So let me put all this stuff back in here really quickly without making too much of a mess. I'll probably just edit this out, just depending. All right, so that's what's in the Dopp kit, which is in my weekender bag. Next, what I have in the bag is my Coach Boxy Cosmetic case. And in here, I have more toiletries and makeup items. You can see, I don't want it all to fall out, but you can see it's pretty stuffed. So, I have my hair dress or hair moisturizer from ORS. So it keeps my scalp very moisturized. I have some Ancient Egyptian from the Main Choice moisturizer for split ends, which works very well. It's pretty expensive, but it really does help with my split ends. I also have some some lavender nail and cuticle oil, and I picked that up from Sally. Then I have, these are Zents little fragrances, and they're little, I guess, testers of the various scents by Zents. So because I love them so much, I just wanted to know what each of their scents smells like. This particular one is Petal. So they have these packs where you can order a small sample of all of their fragrances before you decide what you might want to buy. So you may remember that I just showed you the Ouray body wash and body lotion. So that's how I picked which scent I wanted, by getting this pack of 10. So, and here are the roller balls that you've seen on my channel before from Zents. So this particular one is Sun, and it smells really good. So I was able to test that with the tester sprays I just showed you. Then I have Ouray, just like I showed you the body wash and the body lotion. So I like to layer the scents. And then I also have Mandarin, which you've probably seen before. So depending on what I want to use for that given day. And Zents has this little card that comes with the tester bottles that I shared with you, the tester sprays, and it gives you a description of each of the smells and what they smell like. So just as an example, Ouray, since that's one I have a lot of today, it's described as euphoric and sexy, and it is Bay Laurel, Orris, Lang Lang or Yang Lang, I'm not really sure how you pronounce that, clove, and black pepper is the scent. So, but each of the scents are described on the card. Then I have my MAC powder foundation. I have my soft lips, which is a staple in my purse, and I have it in my toiletry kits too. Then I just have some nail polish, the top coat. Then I have some Bobbi Brown foundation. Ooh, excuse me. I'll pick that up later. Then I have some nail polish. This is from Salon Perfect, and it's in the color Tropical Punch. And then I have some Fenty Beauty mascara. And then I have nail clippers. And I have the eye makeup and a lip liner and a brow pencil, my pencil or my sharpener for my eyebrow pencil. Then I have some base coat nail polish. I have some gel for my hair. I have my MAC lipstick in the color Rebel. Not sure if that's coming off. Ooh. Guess I'll pick that up in a moment here too. And then I have some face moisturizer from Bobbi Brown that I put on before putting on my foundation. Fill in the pores, make my makeup a little smoother. I have my tweezers. I have some makeup, some eyelash glue, which if you wear fake eyelashes, you're probably familiar with. I got that from Sally. So that's what's in my little cosmetic pouch that I use for travel. So that's what was in my Coach Boxy cosmetic case. And what's left here is I have my little Vera Bradley shower shoes. I never like to walk around on the hotel floor or get in the shower barefooted. And then I have my little Dooney and Bourke cosmetic case. And in this one I just keep stuff for my hair, like hair ties, wrap for my hair, comb, just items for my hair basically, to pull it back, put it up, whatever I need to do for the given day. And then let me see if I have anything in the I don't have anything in the back zip. And that's it. That's what's in the Coach Court Weekender bag. Okay, so now let me show you what's in my Court tote. So in this front pocket, I have just some snacks, some peanuts, and I also have my Coach glasses. And that's it for that. And then let's look at the front or the top view. So this is what's in my tote bag. So I have let me keep this down, maybe that works better. 16-inch MacBook. Be careful with her. I have my leather Coach Academy pouch, which I shared on my channel before. I use this for my tech accessories. In the front, I just have a extra storage device for my computer. And then I have just a sea of peripherals, computer chargers, cords, all the like. So this enables me to always know where all of my cords are when I travel, which is very helpful. And then in this pocket in the back, I have my Nook, which you saw on my channel before. Then I have just the tags. Then I have just a book. This is a book I picked up. I actually got several of these because I gave them to my team at work. But it's just a daily creative companion. So each page, each day has you think about something or do something. This one says, if you can see it, tape a loop of thread to this page so you never forget that one thing, and you write down what that one thing is. So lots of fun things to write down on each of the pages. So a creativity book. Then I have a book I got called Practice You Journal. And I got this by taking a yoga class at a spa once, where they have you do the yoga and meditation, and then you go and you write based on the prompts in this journal. So for example, it has you think about who you are, how you feel, how you communicate, how you show up in the world, what's important to you. So just a very interesting book. I finished many of the pages, but not all, but I like to kind of reflect a lot, and I thought this is an excellent way to do it. Okay, almost done. The last thing I have in my tote is just a notebook. I also have pens, and this says Make It Happen. I got it from Target. This is, I also have pens in my little tech pouch too. So I think that's it. Oh, it's a hair tie in there, but nothing in the other pockets. But that is it for what fits in my tote. So thank you all for watching. Thank you to all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed and you like these types of videos, please subscribe, please like, please comment, please share, and please binge watch. So thank you for watching and have a great day. We'll talk soon.